you may like to watch Cheating the Rapid Egg Cooker.
Hey, thank you for stopping by the corner today, my friends. I'm not in the corner, I'm in the kitchen. But I'm going to show you how to make some of Pappy's egg salad.
Okay, once you have about a half dozen hard-boiled eggs, you'll need to get them cut up. And I have this wire cutter apparatus here, and if you cut the egg one direction, you can pick it up and turn it 90 degrees and cut it again. That'll suffice, but if you can just get a roll out of it, just roll it over about 90 degrees and cut it that way, it's like a bloomin' onion now. So I'll do that one more time here. Turn it 90, and now you gotta hold it pretty good, and I roll it 90 degrees. And there it is, the bloomin' onion. Let me get that fluffed up in here so that I can go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients. And I have some medium-sized sweet gherkins. I get 4 or 5 of these out, and I'm going to cut those into about 1/2-inch pieces. You can see I have a rival chopper here. And Pappy has all these tools, even in the kitchen. And it works really well to chop up the pickles. And here we get them chopped up. And I'm going to dump those right in with the eggs that are all cut up. Notice I sped it up here so you don't have to watch me try to dig out every last little pickle. Okay, the next thing, I'm going to throw in a couple of big heaping tablespoons of real mayonnaise. None of that light stuff. And then, of course, the secret weapon. Here it is, Boetje's stone ground mustard. And that's pronounced Boetje's. It's made right here in the Quad Cities, world famous mustard. And it adds a nice zing to your potato salad. It's not spicy, but it gives it a very nice mustard flavor. And I put in about a tablespoon of that Boetje's mustard. Here I get it mixed up. I try using my left hand so you can see better. Then I just decided, heck with it. I'm going to go ahead and just mix it up here with my right hand. Then I'm going to transfer it from the mixing bowl into the refrigerator container, because I like to chill it before I eat I like egg salad sandwiches chilled. So see, I scrape out every last drop of that and get it into my container, the lid on, and into the refrigerator. I'll let that chill for about an hour. Oh wow, has it been an hour already? Yes, it has. And I'm a happy camper. Let's get a sandwich made up. I have the bread all ready, and I'm going to go ahead and spoon out some egg salad onto my bread here. Get my sandwich made, cut in half, onto the plate, and now over to the table.
All right, let's give it a try. Oh, hey, Pappy's egg salad sandwiches with Boetje's. You gotta love it. And remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.